I pour this next to the plants and everyone thinks I'm crazy. And then they see the results. Have you ever heard that baking soda can save plants from disease and help them produce better? Watch until the end, because I reveal the trick only at the end. You haven't heard this about baking soda yet. Did you know that a common kitchen ingredient can save your plants, protect them from disease, and even make them produce more and healthier? No, we're not talking about expensive chemicals or exotic preparations. This is something you already have at home. And you only use it for cakes and refrigerators. Or at least you thought so. But once you try this trick, you'll never forget it. Tell me in the comments. Have you ever used baking soda in the garden? If you have, write yes. If not, write no. Because after this video you will definitely want to try it. And now you must be wondering, how can such a simple thing be so powerful? That's exactly why I ask you to stay until the end. Because in the end we will reveal the most effective way of application that gives results after just one treatment. Baking soda acts as a natural fungicide. It prevents the development of fungi on the leaves of tomatoes, cucumbers, zucchini, and roses. It is also great for neutralizing soil acidity and repelling some pests. Here is the recipe. In 1 liter of lukewarm water, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and, if desired, a few drops of natural detergent, without chemicals. Mix well and spray the plants once a week, in the morning or evening. The result? Healthier, more lush plants that produce more fruit. And all thanks to an ingredient that is forgotten in your kitchen. If you found this trick useful, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who love gardening. See you soon with more incredible tips from nature.